Welcome to another production of the Technology Training Team. This video will provide an overview of Clever. Let's get started. Clever is the district's digital portal that provides secure, single sign-on access to shared applications, textbooks, and important web links. Before Clever, we had to remember different usernames and passwords for multiple instructional resources. Now, we can log into Clever and access most of our resources with just one click. Best of all, Clever works for teachers and students. Here's how Clever works. Student information, including class rosters, are entered into our Student Information System, SchoolMax. This information is shared with Clever. Clever then shares only necessary information with the instructional tools, textbooks, and websites approved by PGCPS. PGCPS staff and students then log into Clever to access these various tools. To promote digital security and the protection of student information, students should never be asked to sign up for a website. Teachers should select a comparable district-approved tool from Clever. Wondering what's available in the portal? Let's take a closer look. There are three main types of resources available. First, connected learning apps. Usually, these are applications that require teachers and/or students to log in to access the resource. If the resources have been shared via Clever, then users are all set. Digital textbooks. Access to digital textbooks will vary based on your content areas and grade levels. Links. Some tools don't roster through Clever, but are important and used regularly, so you will find links to them in Clever. These resources will often require you to enter your login information when you access them. When you log in as a teacher, you will see your homeroom. You will also be able to access your teacher page, personal page, and the district page. Now that you're here, what else can you do? Teachers can access resources and mark district applications as favorites for easier access. Teachers can also provide support to students by creating logons and badges, and by creating teacher pages to organize resources. Teacher pages allow you to create custom sections to organize all the district resources your students will use. You can also add links as shortcuts to other frequently used websites, including your school's website. What about students? How does Clever help them? Younger students can use QR code badges to log on to Clever. Once they're logged on to their device, their badge saves them from having to enter their username and password just to access Clever. Once students are logged into Clever, they can easily access their teachers' pages as well as all the district resources that have been shared with them. So how do you log in? There are two easy ways to access Clever. The first way is to go directly to clever.pgcps.org. Once you're there, click the Active Directory button. Then enter your PGCPS username and password and sign in. You're all set. If you don't want to remember the URL, make sure you are logged onto the Chrome browser or are using a Chromebook. Then click the PGCPS folder on the Bookmarks toolbar and select Clever. Follow the same steps that were just mentioned. Thank you for joining me for an overview of Clever. To learn more, please visit our website.